Namaste dear students, I am B.G.Shinde sir and we are discussing chapter number 3 kinetic theory of gases and radiation of 12th standard physics. Today we see lecture number 5 and in that lecture we solve some numerics, some problems, problem number 14, 15 and 16. On page number 73 of our textbook, and these problems are based on the RMS velocity and ideal gas equation. So when we solve the problems, you note it down in your notebook. You note all the points, all the equations and all the points of this problem on your notebook so that you can practice at home and try to solve more and more problems which are based on these problems. तर सर्वांनी जास्तीत जास्त प्रॉब्लेम सोडवायचे प्रयत्न हा करायचा आहे. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही प्रयत्न करणार नाही तोपर्यंत जमणार नाही आणि आधी सोपा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवायचा आणि सोप्याकडून कठीणकडे जायचं. एकदम आधी सुरुवातीला कठीण प्रॉब्लेम जर समोर घेतला तर ते आपण डिसमोड होतो किंवा आपल्याला अभ्यास होत नाही किंवा आपण ते असं वाटतं की हा प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे कठीणच असतं. तर सर्वात म्हणजे सोपं असं आहे की प्रॉब्लेम सोडवण्यासाठी सर्वात बेस्ट मेथड म्हणजे की आधी सोपा प्रॉब्लेम घ्या, तो प्रॉब्लेम वाचून काढा, त्याचे गिवन क्वांटिटीज लिहा आणि गिवन लिहून झाल्यावर त्याच्याशी संबंधित कोणता फॉर्म्युला आहे, कोणता फॉर्म्युला आपण त्याच्यासाठी वापरू शकतो तर तो फॉर्म्युला तिथे लिहा. नंतर त्याच्यात किमती टाका, फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये कॅल्क्युलेशन करा आणि फायनल आन्सर लिहा युनिट सहित. तर ही प्रॉब्लेम सोडवण्याची पद्धती असते. एक प्रॉब्लेम जर आपण स्वतः सोडवायला घेतला तर त्याला टाईम लिमिट द्यायचं. म्हणजे समजा एक प्रॉब्लेम आपण घेतला तुम्ही स्वतः सोडवायला तर त्याला ठरवून घ्यायचं की 5 किंवा 10 मिनिटामध्ये तो प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला सोडवायचा आहे. नाही सॉल्व झाला तर आपल्या टीचरला विचारा किंवा आपल्या दुसरं कोणाला विद्यार्थी असेल त्याला विचारा, पण त्याच्यात जास्त वेळ न घालवता दुसरा एखादा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवायचा. आणि अजून एक करायला पाहिजे की जे सॉल्व झालेले प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे आता हे लेक्चर आहे, लेक्चरमधले जे प्रॉब्लेम आहे तुम्ही व्यवस्थित ऐका आणि हे प्रॉब्लेम व्यवस्थित ऐकून मग पुस्तकामध्ये तेच प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते प्रॉब्लेमचे क्वेश्चन बघून मग ते स्वतः सोडून बघा. ही फार बेस्ट मेथड आहे. अजून की लेक्चर पूर्ण ऐकायचं आणि मग ते नीट समजून घ्यायचं आणि मग तो जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो स्वतः सोडून बघायचा पुस्तकातून. तर आपला एक कॉन्फिडन्स वाढेल. प्रॉब्लेम सोडवणं हे सर्वात म्हणजे कठीण काम असतं आपल्या फिजिक्ससाठी, पण जर या मेथडने गेला तर ते तुमचं सोपं होईल. तर आज प्रॉब्लेम आहे नंबर 14. शो दॅट RMS velocity of an oxygen molecule is √2 times that of sulfur dioxide at STP. Means we have to show that in problem number 14 we have to prove that RMS velocity of the oxygen is √2 times RMS velocity of sulfur dioxide. This is our problem. So for this we use a formula of RMS velocity. V RMS is equal to under root of 3 RT upon M0. Now we write this formula for oxygen. So VO is equal to under root of 3 RT upon MO. This is equation 1 for oxygen. Because temperature is constant, here temperature is constant, STP, standard temperature pressure. So just there will be change in the molecular weight. So when Vs is equal to under root of 3 RT upon MS. This is equation 2. This is for oxygen and this is for SO2. So this is the equation for oxygen. This is the equation for SO2. This temperature capital T is constant temperature for both. M0, it is molecular weight of oxygen. We know it is 32 molecular weight of oxygen. MS, it is molecular weight of sulfur. It is 64. Means we should know this value. Molecular weight of sulfur, it is 64. Now divide equation 1 by 2. So VO divided by VS is equal to under root of 3 RT upon MO upon under root of 3 RT upon MS. Now this under root 3 RT will get cancelled and this is equal to under root of MS divided by MO. Now put value of MS, it is 64 and put value of MO, it is 32. Therefore VO upon VS is equal to, this will be 32, 64 divided by 32 will be 2 and this answer will be root 2. Therefore VO is equal to under root of 2 multiplied by VS. So this is final answer. So velocity, RMS velocity of oxygen is equal to root 2 times RMS velocity of in the sulfur dioxide SO2 gas, and this is answer. So this is solution. This is the solution of this problem. Now we solve another problem, number 15. At what temperature will oxygen molecules have same RMS speed at helium molecules at STP? Molecular masses of oxygen and helium 32 and 4, they are given. So we are given M for oxygen, it is 32. M for helium, it is given 4. Then we are also given temperature of the helium, and this temperature of helium is 273 degree Kelvin. This is STP temperature. It is, if it is given that at STP it is 273 degree Kelvin. So we directly take 273 degree Kelvin at STP. So let us find temperature of oxygen, and we use a formula V RMS is equal to under root of 3 RT upon MO. We use this formula and solve this problem. So write this formula for oxygen. VO is equal to under root of 3 RT divided by MO. Equation 1. This is for oxygen. Then VHE is equal to under root of 3 RTHE upon MHE. Equation number 2. This is for helium. So these are two equations, one for oxygen, another for helium. We are given in problem VO is equal to VHE. RMS speed of oxygen is equal to RMS speed of the helium. It is given in problem. Now put value of VO and VHE. So this will be under root of 3 RTO divided by MO is equal to under root of 3 RTHE upon MHE. Now squaring this equation on both sides, so that this square root will get cancelled. The equation square केलं म्हणजे square root cancel होईल हे, आणि हा 3r आणि इकडचा 3r ते पण cancel करा, म्हणजे असं येईल t0 upon m0 equal to t upon mhe. Now put all the values and find what is t0. So t0 upon m0 is 32, then the 273 and mhe is 4, and therefore t0 equal to 273 multiplied by 32 upon 4. So t0 equal to 273 multiplied by, this will be 8 multiplied by 8. So this is 4, then 8, and this will be 21 degree Kelvin. So 2184 degree Kelvin, this is the temperature of oxygen. So this is final answer and this is a problem. तर हा प्रॉब्लेम पूर्ण आपल्या नोटबुकवर नोट डाउन करा सर्वांनी. So let us solve another problem, and it is problem number 16. Compare RMS speed of hydrogen molecules at 127 degrees Celsius with RMS speed of oxygen molecules at 27 degrees Celsius. So we are given temperature of the hydrogen molecules. It is 127 degrees Celsius plus 273 will be equal to 400 degree Kelvin. So first convert this degree Celsius into degree Kelvin. Then temperature of oxygen molecules, it is 27 degrees Celsius plus 273. It will be 300 degree Kelvin. Temperature of oxygen. Then we compare the RMS velocity of hydrogen molecules with oxygen molecules. Means find TH upon TO. This is our problem. Molecular weight of oxygen is 32, and for hydrogen it is 2. So if it is not given in the problem, we should take 32 and 2. We should know it. Now formula is VRMS is equal to under root of 3 RT upon MO. Now write this formula for hydrogen. VH is equal to under root of 3 RTH divided by MH, equation 1. Write formula for oxygen. VO is equal to under root of 3 RTO upon MO, and this is equation number 2. Now divide equation 1 by 2. So VH divided by VO equal to under root of MO divided by MH into TH divided by TO. Now put value of MO. It is 32. Then MH is 2. Then TH is 400 and it is 300. Now 0 will cancel. This will be 16, and it is under root of 64 upon root 3, and root 64 is 8. So 8 upon root 3 is the final answer. So 8 as to root 3 will be your final answer. So that's all about today's problems. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.